guys, this is Joe Crane with Crane Realty. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about buyers and seeing your house through the eyes of a potential buyer. We show many houses every single week, so hopefully the information that we have and things that we've learned watching buyers over the years going through homes can help you prepare for selling your house and making sure that you have the most success when listing it. The four things that I'm going to go over today are smell, lighting, clutter, and cleanliness. I'm not going to harp too much on the last one. I'm going to just assume that everybody has, for the most part, a clean house. If you don't, when you list it, make sure to clean it. The other three things, though, that people don't necessarily think about, but they are just as important, if not more so. Smell. I'll start there. Whether you're a smoker, even if you don't smoke inside the house, but you do smoke, whether you have dogs, cats, or birds. I have a golden retriever. I love my golden retriever. I'm used to how she smells, but when other people come over, they're not necessarily used to the smell of a dog as she runs around them. When you're getting ready to sell your house, the best advice is to have a friend come over that does not have animals or is not a smoker, whatever. Have them come over, walk through the house after you've cleaned it and you've got it ready, and just ask them for their honest feedback what they think of the house. Does it smell clean, and is it acceptable when they come in? If not, don't freak out. There are some really good things that you can get. Febreze has some odor neutralizing sprays. Those are really, really good. I highly recommend those. Another thing is essential oils. You can get a diffuser for essential oils like a eucalyptus oil. That's a really, really natural and very pleasing smell that's not overboard. Be careful with things like the Glad scent strips and stuff, those plug-in scent Glad scent things. Candles, also be careful with those. Those are going to be things that might be a little bit too strong, and we've had people that are a little turned off when they come through and it smells like a Yankee candle shop, so be careful with that. Lighting. We want to make sure that your house is well lit. All the lights should be on when the showing is taking place. Shade should be open, especially in rooms that have dark colors, like the wall right behind me is a really, really dark color. You want to make sure that it's really well lit. It's going to make your house seem a lot bigger, open, and people are going to like that. If it seems really closed and kind of like a cave feel, this is not going to help to sell your house. So we're going to want to make sure it's really well lit. Clutter. I've got a lot of stuff in my house too. Totally get it. Do not freak out about this. The simple solution is to get totes. And they have totes that are really, really handy. They have like wicker basket totes. You can go to Michael's Crafts. You can go to even Walmart and just pick up the plastic ones. Maybe put those in the basement. But if you want to keep stuff around where you're living, because you are living still in the house usually, pick up the wicker basket ones. Those are great and they look really, really nice. So that's a great place to store all those odds and ends. You just throw them in there before somebody comes over, shove it in underneath the coffee table, and you are good to go. These are some things that are easy to do, but really, really beneficial when selling your house. Obviously, if you have any other questions or you want to know a little bit more about getting your house ready to list, we'd love to help you with that. Feel free to give us a call, and whether it's just to ask us some questions, get a couple tips, or whether you want us to come out to your house and for no obligation, we just come out and give you our opinion on it. We'd love to do that. So feel free to give us a call anytime, and we'll do whatever we can to help you get your house sold. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and tune in next time.